Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install the latest version of Ubuntu, that is 24.04 on Windows 11. First press Windows key and type cmd and you will see this command prompt. Click on run as administrator and you will be asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes? If that is asked, just click on yes, and now the command prompt has opened. Here you need to type this command to see all the list of available OS that you can install by default. So type wsl --list and --online, hit enter, and as you can see, we can install these versions of Linux by just one command. So let's say we want to install Ubuntu 24.04. First copy this and then type this command wsl --install -d, and now here we need to type the distribution name. So we will just paste this and hit enter, and now Windows will automatically download and install Ubuntu 24.04 for you. So let's wait till the installation is complete. After a while, you will see this message that says launching Ubuntu, and you will see this. You can just click on OK if this shows, but in your case, this will not be shown. And here you'll say installing. This may take a few minutes, but in the original window that we had opened, you will see launching Ubuntu and Ubuntu 24 has been installed. So you can just ignore this and press your Windows key and type ubuntu. As you can see, you'll already see it here. So you can just close this and close this too, and now just type Ubuntu, and here you'll see the app. Just click on it, and as you can see, Ubuntu is now open, and you can write your Ubuntu commands and run your Ubuntu commands here. As you can see, we can see all the Ubuntu commands, and you can use all the Ubuntu commands here. This is how you can easily install Linux or Ubuntu 24.04 on Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.